The way you clean your face is about to change forever. Introducing the all-new Flawless Cleanse, the silicone facial cleanser and massager for a deep cleanse and youthful glow like you've never had before.
I've never felt anything like this before.
This is not your ordinary cleanser. Hundreds of ultra-hygienic, soft silicone fingers for a non-abrasive deep cleanse and massage using the power of sonic vibration.
When you put it on your face, it just feels like it's kissing your face.
Effortlessly loosen, lift, and remove dirt, oil, and makeup for the cleanest, most flawless-looking skin. So gentle, it's dermatologist approved.
My skin is more radiant. I feel a deeper clean.
It gets everything. My makeup isn't truly off without it.
Now apply your favorite serums or creams and switch to the massage setting for even deeper penetration to help stimulate circulation, brighten your complexion, and help promote collagen production.
My skin just looks so glowy and it looks so young and healthy.
Gentle and deep cleanse, gentle and deep massage. 4 rejuvenating settings in one ultra-hygienic facial cleanser and massager. No replacement heads, no bristles, no bacteria. Just soft silicone fingers, gentle and non-abrasive. And it's rechargeable and ready when you are. The effortless way to deep clean and massage your face, all in the comfort of your own home.
It feels like you're giving yourself a facial at home. The deepest clean I've ever felt.
Flawless Cleanse, a deep cleanse like never before.
Finishing touch. Flawless Women's Painless Hair Remover. Safe on all skin types and tones. No more cuts from razors. No more redness and irritation. Dermatologist approved. It is hypoallergenic, suitable for all women.
Cleanse with an oil-free cleanser, removing any makeup, impurities, and oil. And then go ahead and apply your gel primer. So you want a good mask-like layer. Apply it directly to the area that you're going to be lifting. And I always start with my neck. Turn your device on. I always like to lift on high, but you can adjust your intensity. You want to start at the collar of the neck. Slowly glide towards the back of the neck. Take a step up. And then right underneath that jawline, really contouring that jawline, lifting towards the back of the neck. Now apply more gel to the cheek area. Starting on the nasolabial fold, slowly glide to the lobe of the ear. Taking a step up, slowly glide towards the middle of the ear, and then one more skirting that orbital rim up to the top of the ear. After applying gel on the forehead, you're going to start at the thick of the brow and lift up, the arch of the brow, and then the end of the brow, always lifting towards the hairline. So I finished lifting half of my face. Look at the pop of my cheekbone compared to here. Look at the corner of my lip compared to here. Now let's go ahead and lift the other side. Always lift just half the face first so you can really see the results. Always glide slowly and always glide in an upward motion. So in 5 minutes, you just lifted your face. Tap in the remaining gel primer to enjoy those skincare benefits. And remember the new Face Fix to instantly smooth fine lines and wrinkles. It's the perfect finishing step to any new face facial.